Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some pancake with some raspberry and strawberry, which I cut up very fine. I will be using the raspberry syrup. Okay, so here are the ingredients. Along with that, the pancake that I'm going to be using is it's a buttermilk. Just add water. Okay, I purchased this pancake from the Dollar Tree, guys, along with a hot dog and some eggs and bacon. This is optional. All right, so in this bowl here I have 2 cups of the pancake mix. All right, so I will be adding 1.5 cup of water into this mixture. All right, stay tuned. So 2 cups of the mix, as I mentioned before, 1.5 cup of water, using the whisk. All right, then I'm going to finish mixing this well. Then I'm going to add the raspberry and strawberry. Your choice. Add the strawberry and the raspberry. I'm going to put the pan to hot and start the process. By using my non-stick spoon, I'm going to tip 1 spoonful. Make sure it's drain out well. And then I'm going to, alright. Nice golden brown strawberry and raspberry pancake. This is the last one. I must let you guys know that I did 2 batches of this pancake. The first set, and this is the second set. 1 box I get like 10 out of it. All right, so this is the last batch that I have here, and this was the first set that I made. All right, so I'm gonna add some butter, and this is optional anyhow. Then I'm gonna pour some of the syrup on this one also. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks to those subscribers and new viewers. Okay, please press the bell so that you could be notified whenever I post. Pancake with hot dog sausage, bacon and eggs. All right, you can however you want, your choice. This is my take. Thanks for watching. Free to ask any questions. All right, see you in the next one. Bye bye.